How to send high quality videos on Messenger. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to send those, you can follow the steps. So first thing is ensuring that your Messenger is up to the latest version, it is updated. After that, you can head over to the chat where you want to send it. For example, this person right here. Once you are inside the chat, you can tap on the icon that looks like a photo or video, usually at the bottom of the screen next to the text box. This one right here, you can tap on it. And once you do that, here you should be finding videos, and in the top you should be finding HD option. So all you gotta do is tap on that HD box first, the blue HD button, and then go ahead and select the video that you may want to share. For example, this one right here. After that, just hit the send button. After selecting the video, hit the send and the video will be sent in the HD version. So that is how you basically send high quality videos on Messenger very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.